Hi everybody, I'm Mick. Welcome to my shop. So today's little project involves my drill press here. I think I've done at least a couple short segments or something on the drill press and the stand that it's on now, but I want to show you a little problem with it, and I'm going to solve that problem today. So get you a little closer here. So, as you can see, the drill press is sitting on this metal table that has a cabinet underneath it, and then down here on the bottom, show you real quick, there's all sorts of storage for drills and everything else that's needed. It's a drilling station. And normally my mag drill would be sitting here, and so anyway, the problem is this. It's not secured, and with this smooth steel top, it just slides around. So because of the way I built this, with this cabinet underneath it, the cabinet is directly hitting the bottom of the table, so I can't drill a hole through it and weld a nut or something on the bottom side to attach it to the table. So what I'm going to do, and I don't want to just weld a nut or a couple nuts to the top of the table, because then that would only give me about 3/16 of an inch of thread engagement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some nuts, basically, but deeper, about like that, something like that, and weld those in place so I can bolt this table down to it. And then I think I'll use these holes. And then what I want to do is I think I'll 3D design and 3D print some covers for these slots to keep this underneath there from filling up with chips. But I'll do that later. It just occurred to me that'd be a good idea. So let's go over to the lathe, and I'll grab some stock and we'll make the nuts for this. Alright, so I found a piece of stock in my supply. It's actually already got a hole drilled through it. I'll chuck this up, just clean up the outside so it's not as rusty. Make sure I've got that running square. There's really no critical dimensions here. Get this running true. There we go. Okay. Just going to face off the end. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I was just chatting with my buddy Greg from My Little Mule about the fact that I need to get out here more often. Alright, let's face this off, and then I'll get a live center in there, because it is sticking out quite a bit. DRO. Let's make sure this is still zeroed. All right. I've been noticing on a lot of videos lately that guys are not using coolant or lubrication anymore. I saw Keith Rucker, I think, the other day, and the only thing he used any coolant or lubrication for was threading. Not for drilling, not for anything. And I'm really kind of puzzled by that. Alright, let's say 20 thou. Looks like I've got an incredibly bad finish there. I don't know how that happened. Oh well, don't really care. Get this out, get the drill. Another good thing, anchor lube. Okie dokie, here we go. I think I made it all the way through. Okie dokie. Got my tap wrench set up with a follower. Put some more wonderful anchor lube on here. Sorry, I forgot to turn the camera on. I'm just trimming this down to length. Okay. All right, let's get these things welded up. I'm just going to tack them on in a few places. That way, in the future, if I want to remove them, I can just grind down the welds. Got it positioned over a punch mark. Okay, not pretty, but it'll do. All right. Well, that's about as sturdy as that's going to get now. Okay. Another project finished. Thanks for watching. Take care.